Hello investors, my name is Dahan and welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the potential 3 altcoins to buy on this dip. Also, we're going to be covering Microstrategy, buying more Bitcoin on the dip as well. And then obviously China crackdown on Bitcoin and how that's affecting the market right now. Right now, the market is down about 9.24% in the past 24 hours, which is a huge move on the downside, obviously. Now, if we take a look here, top gainers in the past 24 hours, Mirror Protocol. That is one of the only coins that you're going to see in the positive right there. We have a new listing, which is going to be Solana. And then obviously the highest volume is going to be Bitcoin. Bitcoin trading at around 32,000 right now. Ethereum is trading at around 1,900. We have Binance at 283. Most of these are down about what, 6, 7, 10, 15%, 25% down on Doge. We're definitely going to be covering Doge because we talked about that 30-cent support level and we just destroyed that support level and continue to fall down like a falling knife. This is not good news, guys, for Doge, but could this be the big buying opportunity? Could this be the support level that we're bouncing off of once again on Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is the one that, pretty much creates the trend for the rest of the altcoins. But as you guys can see, everything is down to between 15 and 20% or so. Nothing is pretty much in the green right now, which is not good. But before we cover all that stuff, let's see what's going on. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is going to be Microstrategy boost Bitcoin hoard to more than 105,000 tokens. So this is going to be worth around $3.46 billion. So MicroStrategy said on Monday that it owns more than 105,000 Bitcoins after spending another $489 million on 13,005 additional Bitcoins. Now, shares of the Tyson Corner, Virginia-based business intelligence provider fell as much as 9.88% before slightly, pairing their losses. This is Bitcoin plunged by about 11% to 31,000 at China coin after China renewed its crackdown on mining of the digital currency. So MicroStrategy's 105,085 Bitcoin cost a total of 2.74 billion, or an average of $26,080 per token. The stash was worth more than 3.46 billion, with Bitcoin trading at around $32,900 a coin. Now, the company's last week conducted a 500 million corporate bond offering where the proceeds were used to fund a Bitcoin purchase announced on Monday. Now, proceeds from a separate 1 billion stock offering could also be used to purchase Bitcoin. MicroStrategy in February held a total of 600 million convertible debt offering using the proceeds to fund Bitcoin purchases. Now, right here, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor has been at the forefront of corporate America's foray into Bitcoin, calling the cryptocurrency the most secure, the most reliable, and the most certain thing in the entire economic universe. That is what he's saying right now. He was also instrumental in Tesla CEO Elon Musk's decision to diversify some of his company's cash holdings into Bitcoin. So you guys can see here in December 2020, he says, are such large transactions even possible? And Michael Saylor says, yes, I have purchased over 1.3 billion in Bitcoin in the past months, and we'll be happy to share, playbook with him as well. So obviously, MicroStrategy is loading up on Bitcoin. They have one of the biggest positions in Bitcoin, which is amazing to see, guys. So what do you guys think about this? Michael Saylor loading up on the Bitcoin with MicroStrategy. Leave a comment below. Do you think this is going to be bullish for the stock as well as the coin, or is it going to be bearish? Now, guys, before we get into these altcoins, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 right now. That's right, $2,300. It used to be $1,800. Now it's $500 more. That is the maximum that you can get. So check that out as well. And now let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin on our list is going to be Binance Coin, BNB. So obviously this one is down about 15% today, from highs of over $333. Currently trading at $283.13. The market cap on Binance is going to be 43.4 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours at 3.4 billion. In the past week, this coin is down 23% from highs of 380. And then on the past month chart, down about 13%. On the 1 year chart, this coin is still up over 1,600%, as the coin was trading at around $16 just a year ago. Hit highs here of over $690, close to $700 per coin at one point. And then obviously we saw this crypto crash pull back all the way down to these lows, and we're still trading at these lows, guys. So we're consolidating around this area for the past month or so. That's pretty much what all the large cap coin, mid cap coin, and even the low cap coins have been doing. They're following the pattern of Bitcoin. So whatever Bitcoin does, these coins are going to follow that same pattern and continue that either downtrend or the uptrend. And right now it is a little bit of a downtrend. What we're going to be hoping for is for Bitcoin to bounce off at the support level, which we'll talk later on in this video, so stay tuned for that, and how that might affect the rest of the market as well. So obviously Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid into Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So obviously Binance Coin, one of the most reputable coins out there, and one of the most popular ones that are on everybody's radar pretty much. But this one definitely dip buying opportunities on any of these dips. Obviously some of the top coins that we're going to be looking at for the future as well, guys. The second altcoin on the list is going to be Polygon, also known as Matic, one of the greenest coins that we can find out here, guys. So this one is down about 14% from highs of 136. It did hit lows down here about under $1 or so at one point, and then now we bounced it back a little bit. Market cap on this coin is 7.4 billion right now. In the past week, this coin is down 24%. In the past month, 20%, and on the 1 year chart, it is up over 5,000%. It was trading at around 2 cents last year in June, went to highs up here of over $2.68, pulled back down real quick to $1, and then bounced back up 100% or more, all the way back to $2.20 in a matter of what. So it was up here. It's on the May 17th, it hit an all-time high. On May 23rd, it hit a low down here, and then boom, May 26th. We're back to the high. So from the 17th to the 26th, in a matter of 9 days, we've seen these crazy bounces right here. And now obviously we're on a downtrend, hoping to bounce off of this area and build off of a new support level for the future. So obviously you guys know Polygon, one of the coins that we've talked about in the past. If you guys haven't seen that video, and actually we talked about our list of green altcoins to buy for potential diversification if Bitcoin does not get accepted, obviously, for big transactions, and we need a greener coin. Polygon could definitely be one of those coins, and we have a whole list of coins that we talked about in that video as well. So obviously this one right here is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Now Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using the layer 2 sidechain, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can obviously deposit Ethereum token to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So obviously Polygon, with that market cap right there at 7.4 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 1.8 billion, that market cap is very low. I would not be surprised to see Polygon trading around $10 per coin in the next 5 to 10 years, which would bring it to a market cap of close to 100 billion or so, and would give it a potential of over a 10 to 15x potential in the next few years. So definitely a coin that I'm adding to my radar to see how it will perform, obviously, as cryptocurrency gets more accepted worldwide. And now, guys, before we get into the third altcoin and the last one, we're going to be looking at what is going on right now with Bitcoin in the crypto space. So Bitcoin sinks to a 2-week low as China intensifies crypto mining crackdown. So what is going on here? So right here you can see the world's largest digital cryptocurrency fell as low as $31,760 Monday morning, dipping obviously. It was trading at around 32,000 at 4 p.m. Eastern time, down about 8% on the day. Smaller rivals like Ether and Ripple also fell about 12%. Now, many Bitcoin mines in Sichuan were shuttered Sunday after authorities in the southwestern Chinese province ordered a halt to crypto mining. According to a report from the Communist Party-backed newspaper Global Times, more than 90% of China's Bitcoin mining capacity is estimated to be shut down, the paper said. Now, how true this information is, we don't know. So Bloomberg and Reuters are also reported on the move from Sichuan authorities. It follows similar developments in China's Inner Mongolian and Yunnan region, as well as the calls from Beijing to stamp out crypto mining amid worries over its massive energy consumption. So separately, the People's Bank of China said Monday it had urged Alipay, the payments service run by Alibaba affiliate and group, and some major banks to crack down on crypto trading. China has already banned financial institutions from providing crypto-related services. Now, China often does this. Charles Hayther, CEO of crypto data firm Crypto Compare, told CNBC via email, "When China sneezes, Bitcoin catches a cold, but this flexing of regulatory muscle is often just that. And in the past 8 years, the story has risen in its head, at least 3 times or so." So obviously, we've seen this happen many, many times, guys, where China will say something crazy where it's, banning Bitcoin or something like that, and it, causes it to crash. We've seen this actually happen a few times in 2021. It seems like every time China says something, it cracks, down and continues to crash down. I feel like we just need to get over whatever China says about cracking down on Bitcoin and just get over it. We've already seen this situation many, many times. So why are we falling for the same story over and over and over, guys? If they've banned it once, how can they ban it again and ban it again if it was already banned? So it just kind of doesn't make any sense to me sometimes. I feel like there's a lot of crazy stuff going on. I'm not going to, get into all that detail, but it's some sketchy stuff going on right there. How can they continuously say things and cause it to go down? But obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for educational purposes. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, guys. Now let's get into that last altcoin, guys. So EOS is going to be our third altcoin, down about 16.5% from highs of over $4.40. The market cap on this coin is only 3.5 billion. It has so much potential for room, a lot of growth. So volume in the past 24 hours at 1.7 billion. In the past week, down 30% from highs of 531. In the past month, 34% from highs of $7.70. So over, a 50 to 60% cut right there. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, this coin is still up over 41%, but that's actually not that much compared to some of these other altcoins that we've seen, booming. So obviously we hit that high up here of about $15 when Tesla announced that it was not going to be accepting Bitcoin anymore. So people were looking towards the greener alternative. The coin jumped from $6 all the way to highs of $15, so about a little bit over 200% gain right there. And then obviously we saw a sell-off, obviously with the market, and now we're going lower and lower, waiting for a support level, waiting for the large cap coins to bounce off of that support, and hopefully it'll push up, the mid cap and the low cap coins as well, and gain some momentum hopefully through the rest of 2021 and so on in the future. So you guys let me know what you guys think about EOS as well. So guys, let's take a look at some of these bigger coins and what they're doing. So Doge, guys, we talked about that 30 cent support level, and we cracked down and continued to fall lower and lower. We hit lows actually today of 16 cents per coin today, guys. That is crazy. I told you guys this was just a meme, and not to hold this for long term, in my opinion, obviously just educational purposes. This coin went from 32 cents just a week ago all the way to lows to 16 cents or so. So 50% cut. In the past month, it is down 42%. In the past year, it still says it's up 8,200%. But, this coin was trading at 73, 74 cents when the SNL thing happened. Now it's trading around this 30 cents level support. We talked about that 30 cents level, how it was a big support. And if it went under 30 cents, we would go to 25 cents. And if it went under that, we would go under 20. Well, we saw it go to 16 cents today, guys. And, that just continued to crack down. Now, if it continues to go lower and lower and the crypto continues to pull back, I would not be surprised to see Doge go under 10 cents in the short term. And then obviously it'll bounce back up, in the long term. But obviously, market cap 26.3 billion. Dogecoin millionaire, if you're watching this video, which I know you're not, but if you are, man, you should have sold when everybody was telling you. Graham told you, Andre Jick, everybody, Meet Kevin, everybody was telling you, Jeremy, sell when it was trading at 50, 60 cents, and you kept hodling and look at you now. Now you're hodling that bag, and it's not looking as good as it was before. But obviously, jokes aside, he thinks that, Doge is going to go to the moon in the future. So he's holding the Doge coins for a long term. I personally would have sold, obviously, because it is a meme. Just like we saw with GameStop earlier in 2021. You sell the memes and you move on to the next thing, guys. Wow, guys. So Bitcoin has been very volatile in the past 24 hours. I mean, last night when we made this video, Bitcoin was trading around 35, 36,000. We've seen it go from that area all the way down here to lows of about 31,000 here on Monday morning, and then going into the afternoon as well. So bounced off of that 31,000, which was a support level once again, guys. So this one, market cap 612 million or 612 billion, pardon me. If you guys take a look right here in the past month, it's been bouncing off this level for a while, around this 30,000 to 32,000 area low, and then the high of around 40,000. We've been bouncing off of that a few times now, as you guys can tell, in the past month. So obviously, since pretty much May 22nd, May 23rd, we've been bouncing back and forth through this area. So you've been able to, scalp some gains right there, buy on the low, sell on the high for any, day traders or in and out traders that want to, just make some profits and get out. You had some great opportunities, but right now we're at a very dangerous level. If Bitcoin goes under 30,000, that's what we're gonna have to watch and see how far it actually goes down. Continues to go down. Now, the biggest thing that would hurt Bitcoin right now is more negative news coming out. So obviously, hopefully, there's not going to be any negative news coming out in the next few days, and hopefully we can recover back to the 35,000 or higher area, and then obviously consolidate some more and push on higher to end the month of June going into July. So obviously Bitcoin, it's been performing still well in the past year. It's up 237%, guys, but it's nowhere close to that 64,000 area. I mean, we pretty much lost about 50% of our value since April 13th. So it pretty much got cut in half, guys. So if you were buying, in the highs, pretty much this is a great dip buying opportunity on most of these coins. And that brings us to Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum is down 10%, guys. So from highs of 2,200 all the way to lows down here of 1,800 or so. And remember, in yesterday's video, we talked about if Ethereum goes under 1,500, that is a steal. That is a steal for anybody to buy. I mean, look, in the past week, it's went from 2,600 all the way down here to 1,800, down 24%. In the past month, down 19%, obviously. And on the 1 year chart, it's still up over 704%. But this is great. I like to see it, actually. I like to see Ethereum continue to move on lower because it gives us a dip buying opportunity because we love Ethereum. Ethereum is going to be our number one coin that we believe in. We believe that it's going to be, more valued than Bitcoin in the next 10 to 15, 20 years. So obviously, if Ethereum goes under $1,500, especially 1,000, I think if it goes under 1,000, there's going to be a lot of people loading up, and that's pretty much impossible to happen. Maybe you never know, but I think the 1,500 level is going to be a huge level for a lot of people to get in because we did hit highs here. We were 4,400. So if it got back to those levels, that would be another 2x from that area. So Ethereum definitely a great dip buying opportunity around these levels, especially if it gets closer to that $1,500 level, guys. Now, what do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Are you buying the dip on Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any of these other altcoins? What is going to happen to the crypto market? Are we in a bullish or bearish area right now? And what is going to happen in the next few months? What do you guys think is going on? Are we going to consolidate some more, or is it time for a bear market and a crypto winter, guys? Leave a comment below. Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $2,300, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. And let's go crypto.